Today we're taking a look at this WeatherTech fits all mat from Costco. That costs about $30. Sometimes goes on sale for $23.99. I'm going to try that on my Xterra. So this is a set of 4 mats, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and there are some clips that come with it, which is kind of nice. I will show you how I install these. So the way these are packaged is a little tricky, and I guess you could use some snips and break these plastic ones, but there are some plastic tabs. So for example, like this one, you push this one, and then you pull this one up, and then you do the same thing with the one in the back. Push this tab, this one comes off, and that releases the front mats. You just break the cord here, and here is the front of the mat. Remove this safety. So this is how these WeatherTech mats fit my Nissan Xterra. Now these are trimmable. However, I kind of like the ways these fit, being oversized. So I'm not going to trim anything. Kind of folds here a little bit, but I'd rather have it extra long rather than short. So there we go. That's the WeatherTech floor mats. One mat fits all, and it's customizable, or you can cut out some sections to fit your application. And then there are 2 grip pads that are available. So what you do is you install them like this. You want to use some type of a stick or screwdriver to pop them on. Same thing with this one. There we go. And they provide grip. They grab onto the floor mats, or in fact you're supposed to put them on the carpet, not the floor mats. That way there is no movement. It's not going to get stuck under the pedal. So this is the passenger side fitment. These fit quite well without any major modification. In fact, I don't think I will trim these either. They fit quite well around the little bulge here in the tunnel. I like them. Leave them the way they are. And this is how the rears fit. Rear mats. Nothing to it. And now for the back. These are pretty simple and they fit okay. And it looks like I may need a little bridge in between the 2. I'll put another little cheapy rubber mat in between there. But I like the way these look. And this is the look of the final setup. These WeatherTech floor mats don't look like anything special, but I bought this set mainly for the front ones that fit really, really well. So I like them. So if you're considering these WeatherTech floor mats, I bought these at Costco for $29.99. Sometimes they do go on sale for $23.99. Do give these a look. I think they are worth every penny. They're good quality, made in the USA, and this nice deep portion should retain a lot of water and salt without buying the custom fit mats that would cost between $100 to $200 for the entire set of 4. I believe you pay about $100 for the front ones that are custom fit, but these, if you're on a budget, these are worth a try. I recommend it. Good stuff.